I'm here again to give you one of the best investments here in the heart of Lagos. And this estate is located at Ogombo Road, Adesanya, and getting into this investment is just the best option for you because this estate is already developed. The road is developed, you know, even in the estate the drainage system is ongoing, the road is ongoing, like the road is already tired, development is going on, and also we already have residents in the estate. So buying your plots of land in this estate and you really want to begin construction is just the best thing for you to do. This estate has a private grid for electricity, so there's an assurance of 24 hours power supply, and there are also many special features of this estate like gym, recreational centers, and many more. So call the number on your screen today and I'll be ready, available for you to give you every necessary details you need to key to this investment. I remain Esther, your favorite realtor.
Are ongoing, and very soon they'll start installing the street lights. So investing in this property is just what you need right now. Like, it's all ready. Just buy your land and you start construction if that's what you want to do right now. So key into this investment today, and for more information you can call the number on your screen, and I'm here to give you every necessary details you need to key into this investment. Thank you.